Hello, this is Eric Bear with ReLISTO. Welcome to 1248 18th Avenue, number 3. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath apartment in the inner Sunset area. This is close to groceries, shopping, expressway to both North and South Bay, UCSF, and Golden Gate Park. We're just walking through the living room and kitchen area. As you can see, lots of cabinets, nice, swooshy carpets, and nice, big, beautiful windows. Those are double pane windows to keep you nice and cozy, keep the sound out and the warmth in. As this is a garden-facing apartment, you are looking out into the backyard, so it's super quiet. These are the 2 bedrooms. This is a huge closet right here. Take a look at this, just gigantic. A little bit of distortion with this video, but super big. There is laundry downstairs, shared laundry, and then there's 1 parking space that's available with this unit. Come see me to ask questions about that. Window treatments also, as you note, and again, just a great kitchen, range, refrigerator, lots of cabinet space. Wonderful coat closet right here, and then alcoves to put artwork and such. So a very big apartment. We're going to be going outside next just to give you a look at the entrance. So this is the building itself. Nice wide sidewalk. There's a garage parking, and then you enter here, mail, and then you go 1 flight of stairs. If you went through that door, that's where the laundry is. But you go 1 flight of stairs and you enter the unit that is on the 2nd floor. And then if you go into the garage area, there is 1 carport space. That's number 2, which is right in front of this little mini. That space is available for this unit. Preference is definitely given to folks who want to take that unit as part of the transaction. If you're interested in this unit, give me a call. I'd love to show it to you and get you into it. Cheers.